My name is Ron Frey. I live in North Syracuse, New York. Now that I'm retired, my favorite thing to do is spend time in the wood shop. It's therapeutic, joyful, and exhilarating. When I take a piece of rough lumber and I plane the saw cuts, and I can see the actual grain underneath the saw cuts, every time it's a beauty and a surprise. I would say woodworking is my passion and almost my obsession. Woodworking is physical work. It requires a certain amount of dexterity and strength to do the job that has to be done. It's very important to have the full use of your hands and your hips because you're going to be bending, you're going to be lifting, and without the mobility, you can't do it. To be a good surgeon, you have to be knowledgeable, precise, thoughtful, and interested in the outcome and the beauty of what you have done. To be a good woodworker, you have to have the same approach. I had a hip replacement, a knee replacement, 2 shoulder repairs at St. Joseph's. All the surgeries were tremendously successful. The staff at St. Joseph's was excellent. The physicians are extraordinary. The nursing care is extraordinary. The atmosphere is one of consistent help, cooperation, and a little laughter. These young people work very hard dealing with people at a most serious and painful time of their life. I volunteer at St. Joseph Hospital in the orthopedic ward. Personally, I believe that reaching out to help somebody is one of the greatest things you can do in life. My relationship in working with patients at that time is the most important thing in my life. And anything I can do to brighten their day is beyond description. It's the high point of my life. I could do my woodworking, I could play golf, I could do other physical activities that I couldn't do before I had the joint replacements. The surgeons at St. Joseph's gave me my life back.
The Center at St. Joseph's Hospital Health Center.